Hello, are you looking to invest in a profitable business here in the greater Cincinnati market? Stay tuned as I cover an exciting investment opportunity in this video. Hello, welcome to our channel, Business Brokers Midwest. My name is Natalie Curd and I work with BHHS Professional Realty Business Brokerage. I wanted to talk to you today about a very profitable niche auto restoration business for sale in the greater Cincinnati area. The current asking price is $1.65. The revenue is $950,000 and the cash flow is $220,000. These rates are subject to change, so please refer back to the listing on our website for clarification. This is a one-of-a-kind auto restoration business that is thriving, but the owner would like to retire. He's willing to stay on and work with the acquirer to continue growing the business. This business provides complete services for auto restoration. The team is one of the hardest working, honest, fair price businesses you will ever work with. The company has a continual backlog of customers as people come to this well-respected business for superior service. Offered for sale is the business in the building. The building has planned capability for expansion to support further growth. So if this sounds like something that you would like to hear more about, I invite you to contact me for a confidential discussion. Please see the contact details in the link that I provided below. And once again, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.